What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to episode 2 of Yaya's Eats. So today we're making breakfast just because it's quick and easy, and I was just feeling that. So don't even ask me why I have a hat on in the house. My hair was a mess. It was beyond a bad hair day, and yeah, I wasn't about to fix my hair just to film this video. So, and yes, I still do have my Christmas tree up because I don't have the energy to take it down. So right now I'm just taking my bread out of the freezer. I don't know if y'all do the same thing, put bread in the freezer. And then my meatless sausage and my mushrooms as well. So here is an aerial shot of a quick overview of the ingredients I'm using. That right there is the packaging of that meatless sausage. You can go ahead and pause the video if you wanted to take a closer look at the ingredients, but I'm gonna have to keep moving. So yeah, that's everything I used. Also, I used olive oil and garlic salt, which is not pictured. Then I just start chopping my tomatoes and my green peppers, or poblano red peppers actually. Y'all, I'm just realizing as I edit this video how short it is going to be. But that's okay, because I am tired. Even though I haven't been to work the whole week. Hashtag staycation. YouTube domination ain't easy. So anyways, I put some olive oil in a pan and pour in my tomatoes and my poblano peppers, and of course you gotta season that food. Gotta season with Old Bay, some parsley, some garlic salt there. If you remember in my last video, I didn't have any Old Bay because I had run out and they had none in the store when I went, but I was able to scoop it up yesterday when I went to the store. So hallelujah to that. So I got my Old Bay, and then yeah, I stir everything together, and then while that's cooking, I put my meatless sausage in the oven as well as my bread because I don't have a toaster. So that's how I toast my bread in the oven. And then while that's doing its thing, I start on my guacamole right there. Those avocados weren't all the way ripe. I got them from the store yesterday, but it's okay. I'm gonna still eat it. And this part of making the guacamole was the messiest. You're not really able to tell since the video is sped up. And then of course I gotta season. You gotta season with some garlic salt, some regular salt, some black pepper, and some lemon juice concentrate because again I forgot real lemons. And then I start to mash everything up with a fork and realize quickly that it's not working, so I use my masher and it goes a lot smoother. And then of course I gotta toss in some Old Bay as you saw right there, and then spread everything real nicely on my bread, which is nice and toasted right now. This was my favorite part of all of this. And then next I put on my nice little sauce of tomatoes and poblano peppers. And then it's time to get going on my eggs. Got some mushrooms and onions in those 2 eggs. And breakfast is served. Y'all, I know this was a lot of food, but I needed fuel for the day and to also film this video that you're watching right now. And this ended up being the only meal I ate throughout that day. I had some snacks later on, but this was the main event of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness.